Okay, hi, it's Breadrocks10 here, and today I'm going to show you how to get ringtones for iPhone or iPod FaceTime, or whatever. It has to have a jailbroken device, so go into Cydia, go into let load, go into Manage Sources, Edit, Add, and the sources are repo.us. Oh, the link, the source will be in the description, but I've already got it in, so I won't add it. Go into it, and then go down to it's called Unlim Tones. Install it. I've already got it installed. And then go back. It should appear on your springboard, and go into Unlim Tones. Say you want they've got different ones like songs and tones. There's ads, which is really annoying. Yeah, just download it, add to my ringtones, just let. Okay, after it's finished downloading, just go into settings, sounds, ringtone, and just find it, and then you turn it on, and when someone rings you, it'll have that ringtone. Hope this helped.